All right, we are going to help our local law enforcement and assist in seizing a car that the person has been placed under arrest. So we'll go see what law enforcement has for us this afternoon and go pick it up and get it done. On both sides?
Yeah. This is a front wheel drive.
Good. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look at it real quick while we're here. This car's been seen some action and whatnot. And the reason pulled them over is they got no plates, no tags. Looks like they've been living in the vehicle and whatnot. I guess there's a young lady in the car too, and her mom was woo-hoo. But great thing is we had a about a 15-minute response time getting here, and we got the car out here real quick too. So that means that both those police officers are back on the road and you know, all freed up, ready to go do their job. This is a vehicle that we just towed out here for a local PD, and Alexandria is riding with, and she had some pretty interesting observations on it. So, you know, let's hear what do you guys say right here?
Yeah, so when we pulled up to the scene, we saw like a younger girl. She looked like she was in high school, and some low-life boyfriend with her wearing his McDonald's uniform, standing on the corner of the road. And we asked him if he had a ride, and I guess his brother was picking him up while the mom was there to pick up the girlfriend, is what I'm assuming. And her mom was really giving it to her. She was like, I'll handle you when I'm done. And I just feel sorry for the girl, because I'm sure her home life isn't the best, and that's why she's choosing boyfriends and not picking, you know, bright apples, because this car has no plates. Like, what do you think you're doing? You don't think you're gonna get pulled over? And now I feel like she's probably gonna be home getting her ass whooped, or excuse my French, getting, you know, punished, when her mom needs to be talking to her, saying stuff like, you need to learn how to pick them, honey.
There you go. All right, tow truck ninjas, I guess we got something weird going on in the projects with the cops and whatnot. Our local police force is there. They called me, so let's just go find out. All right, so just real quick, we're out here with like 3 police officers and whatnot, and what we're doing is we're just gonna grab this vehicle right here. Not sure exactly what was going on. but it's full of all of her belongings and whatnot. And apparently this vehicle is has been trespassing. She can't start it, doesn't have insurance, it's not legal to drive, and housing authority wants it gone, so we're gonna get it. All right, let's go. Strap it up, get it out. Thanks, guys. All right, so that's cool. You know, we got here quick. I mean, it looks like a simple job and whatnot, but the point is that, you know, with housing authority, it's different things. So basically that took 3 police officers. So by me being here with like literally a 10-minute response time, and just takes me just a minute, you know, to get that car hooked up, you know, I got 3 police officers back to, you know, tackle their next task, to answer their next call. So that's what's cool about being fast and responsive, you know, for law enforcement is, you know, we're getting our cops back out on the beat, you know, quick, because once I've got that car locked up, you know, they're pretty much, they're good to go. So I'll see you next time.